Skonti abrantia industry phone bi nim no e bi ankofo bi so nhye nim no Kwaw Kesse little brother Skonti wonin e be pie mo your sister station Hit FM na wakasa we so na odine carry to hold na wotimi bua ne bra panyin Kwaw Kesse on say ye kan u bisa sade na oye beat maker oye sound engineer obo beat kunche on na studio obo beat Kwaw Kesse recent his song. Oh, I'm quite young. I will use of pedal or one cheddy may so my locket or the na betcha na be seafood. Na betcha na wa just say now Skonti na ye beating and many others. Ain't you know, sir, or can what you can was say a bonus man because so when we have been know it's me sacrificing the home, I'll say this is beautiful. It's beautiful. 2 days here, brana, your man more pia or tea breast is here.
Skonti, you're a producer.
Yeah.
You're a musician. Yeah. What else do you do?
I manage Kwaw Kesse too.
You manage Kwaw Kesse?
I've been managing Kwaw Kesse for some time now.
Like how long would you say?
I think about 3 years now.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how has it been?
Well, it's been tough, but at least it's teaching me a lot. It's enhancing my craft and whatever I want to do.
When you say it's tough, what do you mean by it's tough?
I think combining my music and putting my music down and say, okay, I want to focus on Kwaw.
Exactly.
And let it happen. So, because when it happens, at the end of the day, we are all going to be fed. So, I decided to put my career on hold and push his. Yeah. And I think it's helped. It's got my name out there.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not easy because I know even musicians who want to help others, especially when you're into music, it's not easy to say that let me leave mine and focus on somebody's own.
I think my stronghold is being a producer.
Right.
So,
but you're good with the music too.
Yeah, but my stronghold is being a producer. I can rap, I can sing, I can do it because I'm a producer. Every producer can do a little bit of music.
Right.
Yeah, if they want to put their mind to. You can see Apietus even did a little bit of it.
Yes, he's done it.
So it's just how you want to put your mind to the music and do it. I'm just trying to focus more on the production. But my fans have been telling me, yo, they miss me. I should drop something. I should drop. After Dondo, I've never dropped anything after Dondo.
Okay.
This is it. And this is Adom TV.